morning, everybody. Appreciate you checking out my channel, Tony Polaris. Recently I went for a ride with my buddy to Ocala Forest. That's about a 2-hour ride from where I live. And of course I have a small 5x7 trailer that I pull my Polaris 570 touring SV. And really started thinking about how much I hated that process, just because the trailer's a hassle. I have to get out of my backyard, hook it to my truck, make sure the tires are inflated, make sure the tires aren't worn, and of course, hauling the trailer up the interstate. It does decrease my gas mileage, and I don't have a diesel. I have a Ford F-150 4x4. And I lost about 4 miles per gallon pulling that trailer up the road. And I just thought, there's got to be a better way, something that would actually simplify the process. I wouldn't have to worry about just the hassles of pulling the trailer. So I recently made a purchase after checking out several different options, and you guys stick with me and I'll show you what I got.